Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Microsoft Store is not showing purchase games and apps on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Microsoft Store is not showing purchase games or apps, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to right click on this start menu, click on run. Here you need to type WS reset and hit enter. After this, just close this window. Then try the second method. Just click on the start menu. Then type here PowerShell. You can see here Windows PowerShell. Just right click on this and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Here you need to copy and paste this first command. Right click on the top of the command prompt window, click on edit, click on paste and hit enter. After that, just close this window, copy the second command. Again you need to open the PowerShell. Click on PowerShell. You just need to run this as administrator. Just click on this, right click on the top of the command prompt window, click on edit and click on paste and hit enter. After doing this, once you need to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting your laptop or desktop, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Microsoft Store is not showing purchase games and apps on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.